the body's bioelectric field producing alcohol good health. So, pag nag-inom ka ng Fit-Right, nagsuot ka nito, uminom ka ng Crypto Organic,
Pwede ka nang lumipad.
Lumipad na ka.
Pwede ka nang lumipad.
Darna! So,
Darna.
alam niyo ba na in 1 year time, not in 1 year time will come na ang lifespan ng tao sa abot ang more than 100 years old. Dahil dito.
Tayo ang first batch.
Dahil dito. Dahil sa mga...
Samantalang hanggang 50 na lang kadalasan, di ba? O
First
ngayon,
box
aakyat
tayo.
ulit.
Dahil sa mga gamot, dahil sa mga food supplement na to.
Yeah, babalik
So,
yung lumang
So,
panahon.
ganito ang problema. Kung healthy ka, wala kang wealth, anong mangyayari sa'yo? Boring, di ba? Dahil healthy ka, wala ka na gagawin, wala ka na siya. What? Healthy ka, may wealth ka. So, ang galing, very good. Imagine 80 years old, nagda-drive ka pa. Oy,
Wow.
bilisan ko, kasi 15 minutes lang.
Ayun na yan.
Merong mag-asawa ngayon sa States. Ultimo kinakain nila. Anyway, ilang calories. Anyway, lahat. At the age of 17, they're still playing golf. Pinagtatawanan sila ng mga kaibigan nila. What's the point na naman? Ang sagot nila, well, at our age, sabi nila, ini-enjoy pa na namin yung hindi na-enjoy ng mga kaedad namin, especially sex.
Wow!
True!
Really? Pero tayo, FG, pagdating natin ng 100, yun na yun.
Kaya ito ang kinaganda. Ito ang kinaganda ng uno.
Gusto ko yun.
Mapagsabay ang health. Pwede mong ipagsabay ang health at saka wealth. Nagsisave ka, hindi ka naman healthy. Ano mangyari sa pira mo in the future?
Panggamot mo na.
Wealthy ka, wala ka namang health. O wealthy ka, wala ka namang wealth. So useless. So ang maganda sa uno, pag nasa uno ka, balance. Balance ang way of life mo.
Equilibrium life.
Balancing. May pera, may health, ganun ang ganda, di ba? So,
My sex.
may sex.
Yan ang pinapalatagan ng sex!
Okay. So,
Mayroon pa.
meron pa. So, in behalf of Aphrodite's team, please help me welcome in a traditional way the next speaker or the next presenter. Ladies, please welcome Miss Ivy Saruna with milyong-milyong palakpak.
So, good morning again.
Good morning.
Good morning, Miss Ivy.
Tinuod na,
Good morning,
Good morning. So, ngayon ipipresent ko sa inyo yung product ko which is the Tanaka. Tanaka and the bracelet.
Meron tayong sample, girl, if you want.
Yung bracelet natin, parating pa
Saan yung sample?
Andoon sa room 2.
Tanaka is a facial cream and isa ito ito siyang mud pack. It is from the Tanaka tree and it is 100% organic
Very good.
and no harmful ingredients for the face or for the skin, for any types of skin can use the Tanaka. And we have three variants of Tanaka. The Tanaka Shiles, what how to pronounce? Shiles. Okay. Tanaka Rose and the Sandalwood. So the Tanaka Shiles is good for the acne, pimples, blackheads, sunburns, skin discoloration, and face rashes. And it also increases the production of collagen, which are the proteins, and it protects and prevents your skin from premature aging. So maganda pala ito para ma-maintain yung youthful looks. Yeah.
The lustrous skin.
Oh, para matanggal yung mga yun. And the second one is the Tanaka Rose. So it also it reduces also the large of the open pores, and it also good for acne, blackheads, and whiteheads. It also an excellent for the you can use as a makeup foundation during morning, and during the night you can use as a mud pack. Yun ba yun? Tama ba?
Tama.
And then the third one is the sandalwood. It says that 400 years sandalwood has been utilized in the production of calming incense used for peaceful meditation. And it calms the mind and enhances the clarity and aids opening the mind to a greater awareness. So, ibig sabihin pala, yung sandalwood, ginagamit pala yun yung incense to use for meditation. So, it means,
Yoga?
nakakapag-relax yung ano mo.
Skin mo.
Yeah, and it can also help, remove serious acne, pimples, blackheads, and rashes. That's all for the Tanaka.